Molweni, bahlobo nabafundi. Ninjani? Nansi enye ividiyo malunga negrama yesiXhosa. Ndithemba ukuba niza kuyonwabela. Ukuba ninayo imibuzo, ningayibhala kwizimbo ezingezantsi. Enkosi. So, in this video, we're going to look at two different ways of saying there is or there are. The first one we're going to look at is using the incomplete verb khona, or its shortened form kho. You might have heard the word khona from the common expression ndikhona or sikhona, which is a way of saying I am well or we are well when asked how are you. So what people are actually saying is I am present, we are present. Unjani ndikhona. Ninjani, how are you, plural, or more politely, sikhona. Ikhona ibhasi apha. Is there a bus here? So as you can see, we need to prefix it according to the noun class, and the most common noun class for things has I at the beginning. So here with ibhasi, the bus, we have ikhona, it is here. Khona literally translates as to be present, to be here. So it is here, the bus, it is present. And then apa, just here in general. So ikhona ibhasi apa. Is there a bus here? Hi, ibhasi ayikho. No, there is no bus. So here the negative ayi, the negative prefix for the e noun classes, and most of your borrowed words from English and Afrikaans are in this noun class, and like I said, most things in general. So it's good to know the e and ayi for the negative with the shortened kho. Ikhona ayikho. It is here, it is not here. Ikhona ichizi efrijini. Is there cheese in the fridge? Hi, ichizi ayikho. No, there's none. There's no cheese. The more traditional word for cheese in Xhosa would be isonka samasi, which translates as bread of the sour milk. Abantwana bakhona. The children are here. They are present. Abantwana abakho. The children are not here. Utata ukhona. Father is here. Utata akakho or utata akekho. Both are possible, and I believe that akekho is more common in the spoken Xhosa when saying a person or third person is not here, is not present. You can obviously use this verb with all the noun classes, and you will hear things like likhona, lukhona, bukhona, and alikho, etc. Here are a few examples. Ikhona iposi kule dolophu. Is there a post office in this town? Ewe ikhona. Yes, there is. Hi, ayikho. No, there isn't. Ukhona ugqirha kule dolophu. Is there a doctor in this town? Ewe ukhona. Yes, there is, or yes, he is here. Hi, akekho. No, there isn't. Kukhona ukutya efrijini. Is there food in the fridge? Hi, akukho. Intombi ikhona namhlanje. Is the girl here today, or is your daughter here today? Hi, ayikho. No, she isn't. Zikhona iimoto esitalatweni. Are there cars in the street, or are the cars in the street? Ewe zikhona. Yes, there are. Hi, azikho. No, there aren't. So, isitalato is the word for street, coming from Afrikaans straat, and here we have esitalatweni, in the street, on the street. And imoto, the cars, the common plural class for nouns with e, and then we would say zikhona or azikho. Now, an easier way to say there is or there are is to use the impersonal general prefix ku, it, and then add ko, kukho, there is, or there are. Sometimes this expression is also interchangeable with using khona. So we can say, zikhona imoto esitalatweni. Are there cars in the street? Or kukho imoto esitalatweni. Now, the easier way to say there is or there are is just saying kukho. And in many cases, it could be interchangeable. There are sometimes nuances or contexts that would require the one or the other way, but at least as a learner, it would help you to know this way, and you will be understood even if the other way would be more native sounding. So kuko, the impersonal, it is there, it is present, kuko. So instead of saying zikhona imoto esitalatweni, are there cars in the street, or they are present, literally they are present, the cars in the street, we could say kukho imoto esitalatweni, is there cars in the street? And both are grammatically correct, and in this case quite interchangeable. Kukho imoto esitalatweni, are there cars in the street? Kukho ixesha, there is time. This could also be a question. Kukho ixesha? Akukho xesha, there is no time. Notice when you negate this form, the kukho form, then you aku is the negative prefix of ku, so there is not, and the first vowel of the noun is dropped. So we just say akukho xesha, there is no time. Kukho imali, there is money, or is there money? Akukho mali, there is no money. Kukho into, there is something, into being something. Akukho nto, there is nothing, or there isn't anything. This is a common expression when asked how you are and you want to say, there's no problem, I'm fine. You say, ndiyaphila, akukho nto. Kukho ingxaki, there is a problem, ingxaki. Akukho ngxaki, there is no problem. Akukho ngxaki. A quick note to the pronunciation of akukho nto is that because nto without the I is only one syllable, the stress falls on the akukho. This vowel gets elongated and stressed. Akukho nto. And in spoken Xhosa, that can also be shortened to akukho nto. Kukho umoya namhlanje. There is wind today. Hayi, akukho moya. No, there is no wind. Kukho ikhephu entabeni. There is snow in the mountain. Hayi, akukho khephu. No, there is no snow. Kukho ntoni etasini. What is in the bag? From Afrikaans tas. Hayi, akukho nto. No, there's nothing. There isn't anything in the bag. Kukho ipetrol etankini. Is there petrol in the tank? Hayi, akukho petrol. No, there's no petrol. Kukho abantu abaninzi elwandle. Are there many people at the sea? The people, many at the sea, elwandle. Hayi, akukho bantu baninzi. No, there are not many people. So, how would you say no problem? Akukho ngxaki. There are many people in town today. Kukho abantu abaninzi edolophini namhlanje. Is father here? Ukhona utata? No, he's not here. Hayi, akekho. Thanks for watching.